In this video, we will learn about while loop in Rust. While loop is an entry checking loop. There is no do while in Rust. While loop is a conditional loop. While the condition is true, the loop runs. Otherwise, stop the loop. Here I show the simple while loop. Here I create a mutable variable n with value 3 and execute some statement up to n not equal to 0. Within while block, print the variable n and decrement n by 1. Here I loop through collection of numbers using while. Here variable a is an array of 5 i32 data type numbers and mutable variable int x with value 0. And the loop runs up to index less than length of a. Within while block, print the value of index and element value at position index in a collection A, and I increment index by 1. Here I create an infinite loop using while true, and the compiler suggests that to use loop statement instead of while true, and I used break statement. It breaks the while loop if I greater than or equal to some given number. Kindly see it carefully. Here I used println to print count. On each time it prints count and move the cursor to next line. Now run the project and see the terminal. Let's change it to print macro, and within that I used \r. \r means carriage return. Here let's try to use continue. For that I change if condition slightly. Now run the project and see the result. On each time count prints on the same line. Now let's improve it. Uh, okay, now run the project. We get the same result. Next we can use while as like if let sum syntax. For that I create two functions, get option and get result. Option is evaluated using while let sum and while let none, and result is evaluated using while let ok and while let error. Here while let sum is executed until get option returns greater than 0, and while let ok is executed until get result returns greater than 0. Here I used recursive call within while loop. Kindly go through all examples and play around it and get cleared. Thank you.